Good morning to all. In last lecture, we have seen the application of dot product, that is scalar projection and vector projection, and also we have seen the cross product, right? And we have seen also the examples on this dot and cross product and application of dot product. Okay. Yesterday, homework was given. Everyone completed the homework. Yes, everyone solve examples. Solve केलेत का? Hello? Hello? Everyone solve examples? Yes or no? Please reply so that I can solve if you have not solved. Otherwise, I will continue to the next point. Yes, everyone solve the examples?
मॅम ते थर्ड नंबरचं थोडं आलं नाही.
थर्ड नंबरचं ते युनिट वेक्टर नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन ते का? कोणतं एक्झाम्पल दिले? ऍक्च्युली
द 3 vertices of triangle.
ओके ओके 3 व्हर्टायसेस ऑफ ट्रायंगल. आणि फर्स्ट पहिले दोन दिलेले ते सुटले का?
हा
सगळ्यांना
सोडवलेत.
सगळ्यांनी सोडवलेत का? हॅलो
मॅडम
बाकी सगळ्यांनी? कोणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे काय त्या एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये?
नाही मॅडम लास्टच तेवढं.
ओके. बाकी कोण बोलत नाही काय? फक्त just wait for a minute. I'm searching that example. Okay. The 3 vertices of a triangle are located at point A, B, C, na? Okay. Hello everyone. Do you solve all examples? Now first you have to tell me the answers. Okay. Now I'm taking the third example. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. And happy Teachers Day to all students also. Okay. Now I'll first. Hello. Okay. So I'm starting from this third example. I'll write question. The 3 vertices, because many students were absent, the 3 vertices of a triangle are located at A of A of 6 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 B of -2, 3, -4 and C of -3, 1, 5. Find first is R bar AB, B is only RAB. First is RAB, then second is B is RAC, then C is the angle theta BAC at vertex A. At vertex A, and D is the vector projection of RAB on RAC. Okay. Now we'll see the solution. Okay. So what is given? 3 vertices of a triangle are located. Okay. 3 points of a triangle are given. So consider one triangle. Okay. So consider this point as A, B and C. Okay. One triangle is given. And what are the points? A has coordinates 6, -1, 2. B has coordinates -2, 3, -4. And C has coordinates -3, 1 and 5. Okay. Now, the first question asked is find RAB. Okay. RAB means it is the vector. We have to first find vector AB bar, right? Because RAB is the magnitude of vector AB bar. Okay. So this is vector AB bar. Now this vector R bar AB is nothing but, now how we find any vector? Any vector is nothing but end point minus start point. Okay. So vector's end point is, it is B bar. This is vector AB bar, right? So its end point is B and start point is A. So this R bar AB is nothing but B bar minus A bar. Okay. Now we have to first write these vectors in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, that is in X, Y and Z form. Now what is vector B bar in Cartesian coordinate system? Yes, anyone? Vector B bar in Cartesian coordinate system? Yes, be fast. -2. Yes, anyone? Pooja Dharme. Yes, tell me, how can I write vector B bar in Cartesian coordinate system? Yes, -2. Anyone else? Vaishnavi? Hello? Unmute and directly tell me what is vector B bar. Hello, Vaishnavi.
-2 A bar is plus
Okay.
A y a bar y plus
Minus
4a bar
2a bar x plus 3a bar y and minus 4a bar z. Right. Now similarly, minus vector a bar in Cartesian coordinate system which has coordinates 6, -1 and 2. Okay. So what is vector a bar? A bar is equal to 6 a bar x minus 1 a bar y plus 2 a bar z. Okay. Now this is the minus. Okay. Means subtraction of vectors. So it is minus 2 minus 6. So minus, sorry, minus 8 a bar x. Then plus 3 minus minus plus 1. So it is plus 4 a bar y. Okay. And minus 4 minus 2. That is minus 6 a bar z. Okay. So this is vector r bar a b. Now what is the question? Question is RAB means it is the magnitude of vector r bar AB. Now to find magnitude we are taking mod. So mod of r bar AB is equal to square root of minus 8 square plus 4 square plus minus 6 square. Now calculate this. So it is equal to 64, 70, 80 and this 116. Okay, is it right? So what is this square root of 116? Square root of 116? 10.77. Okay. Everyone calculated this? Hello? Everyone understood? Because I have to erase.
Yes.
Okay. So here we are finding first vector AB. Okay, by taking end point minus start point, and these points are converted into Cartesian coordinate system first, and then we subtracted, so that we will get vector r bar AB and then find magnitude of vector r bar AB. Okay. Now the second one, this is A. Everyone noted? I think instead of noting, you have to solve yourself. Okay. Now, the second question, B. So B is, we have to find RAC, right? So before finding RAC, means RAC is the magnitude of vector R bar AC. So before finding its magnitude, we have to find first vector. Okay, so this is RAC vector. Okay, so its end point is C and start point is A. That's why this R bar AC is nothing but C bar minus A bar. Now we have to write this point C in Cartesian coordinate system. So this point C having coordinates -3, 1 and 5. Therefore in Cartesian coordinate system, the vector C bar is equal to -3 A bar x plus 1 A bar y plus 5 A bar z, and minus this A bar. This A bar is 6 A bar y minus 1, A bar x minus 1 A bar y plus 2 A bar z. Okay. Now this vector R bar AC is equal to -3 minus 6, that is -9 A bar x, and -1 minus that is +1. So it is 1 plus 1, that is 2 A bar y, and plus 5 minus 2, that is 3 A bar z. Okay. Now the question asks is magnitude of vector AC. So it is mod of R bar AC is equal to square root of -9 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So it is equal to 45 and 94. So what is square root of 94? 9.69. Okay. So this is the magnitude of vector R bar AC. Okay. Now the third is angle BAC at vertex A. Okay. Yes. So it is asked this angle BAC. Okay. At vertex A. Now how to find angle? The question asks, the fourth question is vector projection of RAB on RAC. So how to find the angle? What is formula? What is formula for dot product? Can I erase this? Okay, I am erasing this one so that okay. Now question C. We have to find angle at vertex A. So the dot product is A bar dot B bar is equal to mod of A bar mod of B bar into cos theta, right? Now these are two vectors. Now what are the vectors which are originating from A? So here these vectors are, first vector is AB bar, right? So this vector A bar is nothing but vector AB bar and dot product with another vector. So another vector is here AC bar. This vector B bar is nothing but vector AC bar, right? So the dot product of these two vectors is nothing but mod of AB bar into mod of AC bar into cos theta, means angle between these two vectors. Now this AB bar and AC bar, in this example, what is this vector AB bar? This vector AB bar is given by R bar AB, right? Dot, and vector AC bar is given by R bar AC is equal to mod of R bar AB dot into mod of R bar AC into cos theta. Okay, everyone understood this? सगळ्यांना समजलंय का हे? हॅलो, समजलंय का कसं घेतलंय? हा,
येस मॅम.
रिपीट करायचंय? Okay, okay. Now we know the dot product of two vectors. Okay, so when we consider dot product of vectors A bar and B bar, then it is A bar dot B bar is equal to mod of A bar into mod of B bar into cos theta, right? Now here we have to find cos theta, right? But angle is BAC. Angle is BAC, right? Now what are the vectors which are originating from this point A? There are two vectors, that is AB bar and AC bar, right? So dot product of these two vectors, that is AB bar dot AC bar, is equal to magnitude of these two vectors, that is mod of AB bar into mod of AC bar into cos theta, right? Now in this example, not only AB bar and AC bar is given. How the vector is represented here? It is R bar AB and R bar AC. That's why instead of AB bar and AC bar, I am writing R bar AB dot R bar AC is equal to mod of R bar AB into mod of R bar AC cos theta. Okay. Now we have to find first the magnitude, this dot product, okay, of two vectors. Okay. Now what is vector R bar AB? Tell me what is vector R bar AB? Yes, anyone? Yes, anyone? Please tell me vector R bar AB. Anyone tell me vector R bar AB?
-8 A bar AX
एक मिनिट. -8 A bar X
plus 4 A bar Y
A bar Y
-6 A bar Z.
A bar Z. Okay, dot. And R bar AC is
minus 9 a bar x
a bar x, then
plus
plus 2 a bar
a bar y
y, हाँ,
plus 3 a bar z.
plus 3 a bar z. Okay. Now tell me, this is r bar ab dot r bar ac. Okay. Now dot product is a scalar quantity, right? So we have to just multiply by coordinates. Okay. So minus 8 into minus 9. So it is 72 plus 72. Then 4 into 2 is 8 plus 8, and minus 6 into minus 3, that is minus 18. So it is 80 minus 18. किती येते? Minus 10. So it is 62. Okay. Okay. Everyone got the answer? Yes. R bar AB dot R bar AC. Okay. Now, I think we already have magnitudes of R bar AB and R bar AC. Now we can directly put in this equation. So, write down this as equation 1 and right here putting all values in equation 1. Okay. So that we get R bar AB dot R bar AC is 62 is equal to, what is mod of R bar AB? That is RAB, magnitude of RAB is equal to किती आलेली?
77
10.77 into R bar AC was
9.695.
9.695. Okay, into cos theta. Now find cos theta. And then theta. Tell me what is cos theta? What is cos theta? एक मिनट. हाँ, cos theta is equal to
0.593.
0.593 and theta is equal to
53.57.
57. Okay, now this theta, So this theta is at point A, so it is nothing but angle theta BAC. Okay, so this theta BAC is equal to 53.57 degree. Now what is the fourth point? D. The question is the vector projection of RAB on RAC. Okay, हे थर्ड पॉइंट समजलाय ना सगळ्यांना? अँगल थीटा BAC. हॅलो, थर्ड
मॅम,
पॉइंट
समजलं.
समजलाय ना? ओके, सगळ्यांनी नोट करून घेतलाय? आय एम इरेजिंग नाउ. Now, the vector projection of RAB on RAC. Now see this. We'll draw triangle like this. Okay, so it is asked the vector projection of RAB. Okay, this vector on RAC. Okay, and this is angle theta. Now what is the formula for vector projection? Okay, what is formula for scalar projection? For scalar projection, scalar projection is equal to that vector which you are projecting. Okay, that is here vector is AB bar dot unit vector in which direction you are projecting the first vector. Okay, so on which vector we are projecting vector AB bar? That vector is AC bar. Okay, now what is the unit vector of vector AC bar? That is unit vector is denoted by A bar and unit vector of vector AC bar is AC. That is A bar AC. So this is the formula for scalar projection. Now this scalar projection is a scalar quantity because it is a dot product. What is the question? Question is vector projection of RAB on RAC. Okay, so we have to multiply by unit vector so that we'll get a vector product. Okay, so this vector projection is equal to vector AB bar dot A bar AC into again multiply by unit vector, that is unit vector A bar AC. Okay, now the vector projection of RAB. Okay, RAB on RAC is asked. Everyone understood how the formula came? समजलंय का फॉर्म्युला कसा आलाय? लक्षात आहे का स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन? हॅलो हॅलो,
हो मॅडम.
समजलाय ना? ओके
हो मॅडम.
ओके, now just put the values. So vector projection is equal to, now here AB bar is nothing but vector R bar AB. Okay, so vector R bar AB is equal to minus 8 A bar x प्लस काय 4 आहे ना. So what is vector r bar ab? That is vector ab bar. Tell me. Plus what is the y coordinate?
plus 4
4 a bar y and plus या minus.
minus 6 az
Minus
bar
6 a bar z. It's not az bar. Dot. Now a bar ac. So any unit vector is equal to that vector divided by its magnitude. So what is vector a bar ac?